my God.
Don't call the police.
Could this not be a fugitive? My little piggy is here. You can't move right now.
I'm going to call the police.
Can you ask your mom to let me down?
Help me, please. Even if you have to say something.
You don't even say sorry. Unintelligible.
Mom said, "You're not leaving?" I'm not leaving. Only leave.
Today you go to the host's place and arbitrarily open fire. Go die quickly.
Your host.
Your husband says where to do this? Why? Knife. It's not there. What about this picture? Okay, he ha ha.
Tofu. Did I hit you? Did I hit you? I hit your car, and I hit you. What am I doing? I can't afford to pay.
Even you can't afford it. Then I won't play your game.
I said you guys did it. Big Brother comes to draw lines all day. How do I ship it boldly?
You're done for.
This is really amazing.
You're not even human.
What the hell is wrong with me riding a bike? So what if I ride like this? I'm asking you what's wrong. You're not leaving? How are you going to hit someone? Did I hit you? Did I hit you? Hit a car or hit you? Why would you hit me? I can't afford to pay. This I can't afford.
I definitely can't afford it.
And this is in the city of...
I'll teach your mom today. You want to play, right?
Shut your mouth. Can't even shut my mouth. What's wrong?
What the hell is wrong?
Why aren't you riding the wrong way, bro?
Riding the wrong way? You're on the bike lane.
You know it's a bike lane. I'm stopping. Are you going to control me? Ride. Get off.
The light.
Let's go. Yes, yes, yes. Then you even know to slow down. I thought you were lawless. Why aren't you going? I'm not going. I'm walking.
Who is it? Come on, move. Move it.